This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Hartley. Bright and open floor plan with an attached casita that boasts its own living space, full bathroom and closet, perfect for an home office, guest suite or in-law suite. In the main home, a spacious owner's suite has a large master bath with walk-in shower, dual vanities, garden tub and an extra large closet and wood shelving. Lovely view of the private courtyard from the kitchen, big windows in the dining room and the great room with sliding glass doors that open to create a large indoor/outdoor entertainment space with beautiful fountain. Upgrades including pavers driveway entry and lanai, custom cabinets, quartz countertops throughout, updated lighting, and tile. Courtyard gate makes this a child and dog friendly area with metal fencing. Community is conveniently located minutes from the University of Florida and hospitals, shopping and dining. Amenities include a residence club with fitness center, gathering room, tennis and basketball courts, amphitheater, resort-style swimming pool with lap lanes and splash pad, all situated around lush green space. 3 separate air conditioner zones: MB, living area and casita. This could be your new home. Sign is coming for the front yard. For more information, review the details below.